Rebecca, and these are my reviews, and I have another JEWLYBOX. Okay, so I did an unboxing, I believe it was in October, and they had changed some things around. It was now going to be a quarterly subscription. They'd raised the price to $49.99, and the jewelry was not up to par with pretty much everybody I heard from. I am an affiliate. They send me the boxes for free to unbox for you guys. But I just checked and it's back to the $20 a month, so it's back to being monthly, and they lowered their prices again. So they heard you, everybody said their piece, and they heard you and they changed it back. So I think that's awesome. I love it when companies respond like that, you know? So let's see, I'm really excited. A little nervous, not gonna lie, but I'm mostly excited. I have gotten some amazing pieces. In fact, I just did a video, what was it? It was maybe my FabFitFun, and I'm wearing this gold necklace that kind of, it has like one here and then another one with a long dangle bit. 99% of the comments on that video were, where did you get that necklace? It's amazing. I got it in a JEWLYBOX. So sometimes they send really great stuff. So, oh, look, here's a note. Let's see. Okay, this is the classic box, just $19.99. Okay, so this is basically like, yep, we've had some growing pains, but we're back to the new $19.99. Oh, this was the Christmas box. So yeah, I've had this. This was December. Sorry guys, I've been super busy. But they do have a code for me, so Rebecca will get you 50% off of your first box. So let's see, let's see. Is that magnetic? It is magnetic. Is that new, or did I just never notice that before? That's funny, that's cute. I love these boxes. They're adorable. Okay. Oh, let's see, I have 3 pairs of earrings. They're all studs, but that's great. I love little earrings like this. I wear these all the time. Let's see. Okay, so this is the first pair. Here's the second pair. These are also really cute. Oh, I love these. And then just some plain, simple, sparkly black studs. I love these. What else do we have? Is this a bracelet? Yes, it is. Oh, and it's shiny. Okay, I love these ties. I've been seeing these a lot. They work really well. You know, you just squish it tight like this. Look at that, isn't that cute? It's so sparkly. I really love this. It looks almost vintage, the style of it. It's really cute. This is a necklace. Okay, with just like a big hoopy thing on it. It's long too. Okay, that's cute. And then there's, what is this? It's like a little, you know, a pop top thing, and it has a sticker on the back. Oh, there's info on the back of the card, look at that. Okay, so let's see. Ruthie is the 3 set of stud earrings. So let me put some on. These are my favorite. Oh, and they kind of go with my bracelet now too. And then Judith is the necklace. Don't be fooled by its simplicity. This dainty and subtle statement is great for t-shirts and long sweaters to add the perfect touch of sparkle to an ordinary look. You know, that's true. I feel like lately I've been wearing a lot of just plain shirts. I mean, even, you know, like crew cut kind of, is that what it's called, crew cut? Why does that sound weird coming out of my mouth? Anyway, where it's just like you just want something to kind of break up the monotony of your chest. Anyway, so I've been wearing more dangly type necklaces. So this one is really cute. Okay, love these earrings. And then Jackie is the bracelet. So there's the earrings. Aren't those pretty? I love them. Here, I'll try on the other pairs for you too, just for a close-up look. Okay, there's those. Those are really cute. Okay, and then there's the little black studs. Very cute, I love all of them. Okay, let's see, the special gift. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're trying to take that perfect selfie or read the news in bed and you drop your phone. This little guy just sticks on the back of your phone and solves all those problems. Oh! Now I know what it is. It's one of those things that you stick on the back of your phone. I've seen people use these. And then you can use it as like a little stand, and you just, you know, shove your finger in there to hold it so that you don't drop your phone. Oh, I'm actually really excited about this. I have random stickers that my children have put on the back of my phone case. But this is really cool. I like this a lot. Oh, I'm excited about this. Okay, awesome. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I am really happy to see that they've gone back down in price, and I am loving all of these pieces this month. Really, truly, honestly, like, you know, I'm not very good at hiding when I don't like something. So I am really happy, and I'm so happy that they listened to all of us and went back to their old awesome ways. I will leave all of the information in the description box. Don't forget that 50% off discount code, Rebecca. And that's it. Sorry that I was late unboxing this, but you know, better late than never, right? And I'm really happy with it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!